Hey, this is Dan from PyPros YouTube channel. Just wanted to do our first channel update and thank you all. We just hit 500 subscribers this past month, so really excited that a lot of you are interested in the Python content that we're putting out. Now, when I originally got started, I started to put out short form video around individual libraries, around specific methods within those libraries, because I felt like that content didn't exist a whole lot. There's a lot of other programming tutorials where they dive in, over the course of 25 minutes and build something, but diving into a lot of different areas. So I want to provide something different by getting really specific around those areas. Now, I think that's helpful overall, and correct me if I'm wrong, but when I learned requests for the first time, I was diving into documentation, Stack Overflow, a series of videos, and so I thought it would be helpful to put together, hey, here's a bunch of individual videos around requests. But I also know that that format doesn't necessarily work the best for those of you that have subscribed here. For example, if I'm putting out, a month's worth every day about NumPy and you're not using NumPy, that might not feel super relevant to you. So what I'm thinking about doing is adding different content formats to this channel, and I want your feedback on this. One of the content formats I was thinking about was to create a large-scale web application and be able to take you through my journey as I build it. So this wouldn't be something like just a small proof of concept that a lot of tutorials do, but it would be building a full web app from its infancy into a finished project. This would be something that would occur over the course of weeks and months, so I'd only be dropping these videos in periodically, but it would help you see maybe a larger scale web application if you want to see what that process looks like in terms of building it, use cases, the architectural design, and things of that nature. Another format that I was thinking about doing was focusing on small Python projects that folks around the community are publishing on places like GitHub. A lot of times we focus on these huge libraries that are built in Python, and we don't always get to see what smaller content code creators are doing. How can we take that code to then develop something else that's interesting to us? So I'd like to also focus on these smaller projects so you can see what else is there in Python. So those are my two thoughts. Keep doing what we're doing with the short one-off videos as we're going through library by library, but also be able to build an application that you can watch develop over time, as well as look at the cool Python projects that other people are building. I want to hear what you think about that. Let me know in the comments below, and let me know if you have any other ideas. Thanks a lot. For more Python tutorials, like, share, and subscribe to the PyPros channel.